If you're worried your girlfriend is toxic, it's essential to recognize red flags in your relationship and take care of your well-being. If your girlfriend lies, is overly critical, tries to control you, or makes you feel unsafe, it may be time to reconsider the relationship. Other signs of an unhealthy relationship include if your girlfriend exhibits unpredictable behavior, a lack of empathy, or manipulative tendencies. However, it's also important to distinguish between normal reactions and toxic behavior, as it's natural that she may be more harsh when standing up for herself or reacting to upsetting situations. Keep in mind that factors like mental health or dealing with certain physical conditions can affect mood and behavior periodically. It's essential to foster good communication and work to understand your girlfriend in order to navigate a healthy relationship.